Whichit for Advertisers tutorials. How to create a trivia. Welcome to the Whichit for Advertisers tutorial channel. Let's learn how to create a trivia post. With Whichit, you can engage with your audience in a fun, innovative way by creating and scoring trivia quizzes with tailored results based on your answers of your audience. Start by clicking the Create New button in the Creative Library and then select Trivia. Now choose the Whichit post to include in your trivia. We recommend a minimum of 3. Remember that if you haven't created any Whichit posts yet, you'll need to create them first. Just click on Create New button, and when you're ready, click OK. Note that if you've imported existing posts from your Creative Library, the Engage cards from those posts will have no effect. You can manage the creatives to include in your trivia by rearranging the order of the posts, adding more from the Creative Library, or by simply creating new ones. Don't need a post anymore? Remove it by clicking on the bin icon. Great, now your questions are ready. Mark the correct answers in each one of your posts by clicking on them. It's time to select your Whichit Engage card. Lead your audience to a web page based on their answers with the Redirect Engage card. If your goal is to offer your audience a promotion based on their answers, use Coupon Engage card. Alternatively, if you want to collect leads and keep in touch with your audience, select the Subscription Engage card. Now you can build outcomes based on the number of questions your users answer correctly. But first, let's start by explaining what an outcome is. An outcome is a bespoke result that will be presented to the user based on the number of correct answers they have accumulated. For any trivia, you can determine multiple outcomes. You can add more by clicking on the plus Add New Outcome button. For this example, we will use 2 outcomes. Outcome number 1 will be presented for the users who vote correctly on up to 2 of the 4 questions we selected before. Click on the Edit Outcome message and start populating your outcome message. Write your user a message based on the outcome they received in the outcome text field. Then, persuade your audience to click through the link in your Engage card with your call to action text. This is your big pitch. Don't forget to give your offer a nice background cover with an image or logo from your computer, Instagram account, or from our royalty-free library. When your engaging copywriting is ready, click on Apply Changes. Now let's continue to Outcome 2, which will be displayed to the users who answered 3 or all of the questions correctly in your trivia. Repeat the steps, and when you're ready, click on Apply Changes. Well done! Your very first Whichit trivia is ready. Review all the details and submit. The trivia is now ready in your Creative Library under Trivia. Thank you for watching.